In this video, I will show you how to create business invoice using Excel template. So open Microsoft Excel and click on new. And once you click on new, so here is the option blank workbook and here you can search template. So search invoice and press enter. And here guys, you will see a different type of invoice like simple service invoice, basic business invoice, simple invoice, and there is a list of invoice. You can select according your need. So you want to create a business invoice, click this one. Again click on create. Now here change company name, address, here add your logo. So you can modify and make changes in this invoice. It's a simple business invoice. Here bill to and for. So type here product description. So in this simple invoice you can print and you can make according your company. Click on print. So this is the final look. If you make changes like color, so select it. So any element you will select, you can change it. I change the company name. Here to add the logo, so remove, insert and picture and select your company logo. Now adjust the size like this. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.